BT speaker. I don't know what BT means, but this is a mini speaker which I received from a online shopping platform. I'm not going to say which platform did give this as a free gift because they are not my sponsors or any relative to my channel. So relative, what? Why did I tell this? Okay, so and this speaker is terrible. So this is how the speaker looks like. So there is a speaker at the top and there are some 4 buttons: fast forward, fast rewind, and accept calls, like that. So after that a USB slot, and after that a micro SD slot, and power on off switch, and the charging slot, so you can charge from this slot. Those are the inputs that you can do, and some LED flash. And so the built-in speaker. Speaker means you will probably accept a better bass sounds or a better speaker. That's the overall thing, a better speaker. So the speaker is, what should I say? What is the proper thing to tell this device? Is it terrible or worse? It's lame. So, the speaker does not feature better, clear, crispy sounds like more bass or more sounds, but these have the most minimum sounds that I've ever heard of. So, it is better to use your phone speaker because it is more clear. And this is how the package looks like. So, I've received this 2 days after I've ordered this. So, after that, you can see the bubble wraps. So this is a great protection for the product. So that is a grade. And after that, I'll just open it. So that's the box. So this is the name of this product, Music. I'm not sure is that the brand of the speaker, but it is known as BT speaker on the description when I'm buying this. And after that, there is a cable, micro cable, and the speaker. So there is a pink speaker. I hate this pink color, and the cable for charging this speaker. And the packaging, as I mentioned, it is great. So when you on this, it has a built-in LED, which is great. And the LED has bunch of different colors like blue, pink, orange, and some other colors. And the settings that have been changing right now, so it has bunch of different modes like spark or any other things. That is great. And but not as much, you need to charge it, but it drains a lot of battery. And this is how it sounds when you on this, and after 3 seconds it says connected. So the paired device is actually wait, is somebody using my device? Like, so this is fully made out of plastic except this leather matte finish. So this is for the grip, and the plastic is not tough enough to handle the drop downs or any other struggles that you may face when you buy a product. So this can be actually bent. Okay, so I'll just show you. Think you just can see this. So this is not a pretty tough plastic, but this still great. And this is a not a great thing. You can actually scratch it out with using a scissor or anything. And that's the durability. You can't accept more than this because this is a free gift. So we are now at the end of the video. So the conclusion for this BT speaker, you'll probably expect a better conclusion for the speaker. So is it worth it? So is it worth it means yes, it is worth it. At the same time, it's not worth it for some people. So if you're a photographer, a normal photographer, you'll need a background or a better background for your shots. Like you're shooting another product, you can probably use this LED, or you can use this speaker when it's turned on. So it will turn on, and after that it will show this LED. So after that you can shoot your another product with this. So it won't be plain and it will be colorful, it will be enjoyable, so it will be like so great, so it will give more credits to your video. So as a normal, so you want a better speaker, you probably should not buy this because this have a terrible speaker. So this is a free gift, you can't accept more than this, and that's it. So keep supporting me and please subscribe the channel. So cheers.